Okay, so here we are in Blackboard, and I'm in the Assignments tab of OT Theory and Practice. And so I want to just show you where to find some of this stuff. So in Groups, I just showed you the course plan. What I want to talk about now is the schedule. So this link right here, I put it first. When you click on that, then this comes up. And let me zoom in on that a little bit. Okay, so this is a list. So it's divided into those lab sections. So if you were in the first lab, you're first in this document. And so here is the warm-ups. That has not changed. You still have the same population or scenario that you did as you did before, okay? So this is what you have, and this is the scenario that you have for the warm-ups, okay? So next is the initial group. Now I've had to redo that because a lot of what was initially put in there doesn't really match our textbook or our resources as we have them now. So hopefully we have a better match. Well, I know we have a better match, but hopefully this will work better for you. So same group. This is their initial group assignments. So for example, Caitlin, I'm going to pick on you since you're first. So you're the group leader, and the population you have is adults with personality disorder. The setting's an outpatient clinic, and your focus of what you're going to be working on is socialization and participation. So your frame of reference, this is the psychodynamic approach. And where I would start in terms of figuring this out is you would then go to these chapters in the Cole textbook, and psychodynamic, let me look here, is chapter 5. So if you go in there and kind of get a sense of what is psychodynamic, what are the purpose or focus of psychodynamic approach, that should give you some hints as to where you're going to be looking for interventions, okay? So interventions, again, will be those sites that I talked about a little bit in psychosocial practice. Since your focus is mental health, you may look in the mental health areas, but you may choose other intervention areas too. But those websites are the ones that you're going to use. You can also use any of your textbooks to give you ideas for interventions as well. So Caitlin has that for the first initial group, and then for the second group, then she's going to have a different population, different frame of reference, and so on, okay? So when you go to plan your group assignments, find your name, find your population. Your frame of reference is going to give you a hint in terms of which chapter to look in the Cole textbook, all right? So this is what you'll be leading for warm-up, initial, and final group scenario.